Are you a greedy artist actor? Yes, absolutely, certainly. I have absolutely no compunctions of walking up to a director and saying, when will you cast me? Why will you not cast me? If you don't cast me, I'll go on a rampage outside your house. I will do a dharna till finally they get fed up and they say, अच्छा चलो ले ही लेते हैं तुमको. You know, people say कि नहीं मेरे से नहीं बोला जाता, मैं किसी को कह नहीं सकती. क्यों नहीं कह सकते भाई? It's the
क्योंकि
most
हमारे
natural
पास
thing in
उनके
the
ऑफिस का
world.
एड्रेस नहीं है, और दूसरा अगर हम जाएंगे हमें अंदर नहीं लेंगे, तीसरा अगर मैंने धरना पे बैठ भी कर खाना नहीं खाऊंगी ना, बोले कि मरो मुझे क्या.
Okay, Zoya Akhtar, I would want to work with you. I'm going to text you after this. I'm going to take this opportunity. I love you and I love your work.
बंसाली सर आप कमिंग पे कम पैसों में कभी भी काम करना पड़ता है. पैसे दे दो यार, आप लोग के पास बहुत है. इक्वालिटी पे तो है ही, पर कभी कभी when you're new you have to do things but they don't know behind the scenes कितनी तकलीफें हो रही है.
जब मैं इनिशियली आई थी आफ्टर अर्जुन रेड्डी, मेरे लिए हार्डेस्ट पुल था ये कि मैं कुछ भी अगर ऐड करना चाहती थी विद द डायरेक्टर, दे वुड नॉट वांट टू बिलीव. दे वर लाइक ठीक है अपना दिमाग मत यूज करो. लाइक बट आई हैव सो मच टू ऑफर, नॉट जस्ट एवरी टाइम दे बी लाइक बी बबली, शो योर डिंपल, बी स्वीट, बी ब्यूटीफुल. आई एम लाइक बट
We were shooting for Rocky Rani in Delhi, and they were all going shopping to some bazaar and all of that, some local bazaar, and they said you can't come with us. And I said, well, you'll make it difficult for us to shop freely.
Oh, she repeated the dress that she was wearing.
Frock.
And frock. हाँ. और वो देखा उसका वही रिंग है और वही बैग है. Oh.
Hi guys, this is Ankita. You are tuned to Bollywood Bubble और आज डब्बा कातिल में मेरे साथ ऐसे ऐसे हस्तियां बैठी हैं जो मुझे सिर्फ इस खाने के डब्बे में से खाने का स्वाद नहीं, कुछ सवालों का स्वाद से बताएंगी कि शो क्या है और शो के बारे में और आगे जानते हैं क्या क्या मिलेगा हमें जानने को. सो वेलकम शालिनी, शुमाना मैम, ज्योतिका, अंजलि, हाउ आर यू?
All good.
very good. सो खाने का डब्बा है, खाना नहीं सर्व करूंगी, 3 डिफरेंट फ्लेवर्स के क्वेश्चंस हैं एंड लेट्स गो. आपके क्वेश्चन इसी में लिखे हुए हैं. So let's see if I'm able to open this dabba without any damage, which I normally don't. So I think सबसे पहले आप हो तो
Sweet Harry.
no I'm just saying you can pass on.
मैं pass on.
So first डब्बे में सबके questions with their name है.
Oh.
So it's easy. Oh wow. Okay. So who wants to begin?
यार मुझे सोचना पड़ेगा इसके लिए.
Wow.
मैं सोचूंगी. मैं सोचूंगी इसके लिए.
So whoever, because now I don't know who's having which question.
So my question is, your role, Ba, gives us a glimpse of your iconic film Godmother. Does saying no to characters with similar shades come easy? You know, I knew that this would be an inevitable question, but I'm very proud to tell you that I don't think there is any similarity between the two people. The circumstances in which Ramli Beng became Godmother and the circumstances in which you see Sheila are completely different, and that in fact formed the challenge for me, because in people's mind the character gets trapped in a kind of box that you've seen her before in Godmother, तो इसी का कुछ होगा, मगर ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. ये बहुत ही साधारण, बहुत ही ordinary औरत है to begin with, and that's why if you see I've also reduced the tattoos that I have and all that बहुत कम, क्योंकि Godmother में बहुत ज़्यादा था वो. And what happens is, as you do roles over and over again, you try to strip them off of all the other things, external things that you do. But yes, I find it not very attractive to say yes to roles that are very similar. Fortunately, in my case, that hasn't been what has been offered to me, so I've really been lucky. But yes, if it was the same thing, nothing would make me want to do it again.
Oh, lovely. Anyone who wants to
I'll
begin?
go.
Oh.
So what is the biggest addiction high that a newcomer chases to experience in the entertainment industry? मेरे लिए ना मोहब्बत है. मुझे लगता है
उनको संभाल ही नहीं सकते.
हमको भी सुनना है सवाल अच्छे से.
Oh,
सवाल नहीं समझा.
what is the biggest addiction high that a newcomer chases to experience in the entertainment industry? So when I did Arjun Reddy, और हमने सोचा नहीं था वो फिल्म क्या करेगी, हमने बना ली थी मोहब्बत से, पर वो जो फिल्म निकली थी ना, मैं पहली बार कैमरा फेस कर रही थी लाइफ में, तो मुझे पता नहीं होता था प्यार कैसे मिलता है. साउथ में ना बहुत प्यार मिलता है. दे विल लव यू, दे विल रिमेंबर योर कैरेक्टर. जो मुझे पहली बार इतना प्यार मिला था ना, तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आया था इसको रिसीव कैसा करना है. सच में. एंड आई वाज यूज्ड टू क्राई. क्योंकि मुझे लगता था इतना सारा प्यार इतना भी होता है, so I would keep crying and they would think कि बेचारी बच्ची डर रही है हमसे. But now I understand, for me ना, I want everyone and everyone to love me and give me so much प्यार and मोहब्बत. And मैं खुला बोलती हूँ, मैं मोहब्बत की बहुत भूखी हूँ. तो आप मुझे प्लीज प्यार और मोहब्बत दीजिए. That's what I chase.
चलो मैं देती हूँ आपको.
दे दो. Thank you. आपने बहुत दिया है मुझे, सबने दिया है. Individually सबने बहुत प्यार और मोहब्बत दिया है मुझे. That's true.
Yeah, mine is OTT has become as a strong voice for female-led voice. When you do such a project with an ensemble cast, how does one assure that their character stands out? I think when we get together, not just as women but also as actors, we're all getting together to play our parts and contribute to the story. So that's what makes a script and that's what makes the story a success for the audience. So that's been our mindset while doing Dabba Katil especially, and also other films. But there's nothing particularly I look out for which stands out. The story should stand out. Of course, the character should stand out for me, and it should resonate with the audience. I think a film is always a film on the whole, and we are just parts of it.
Okay. Your take on exploring a gentle love story in the queer space. I mean, there is no different than any love story you see.
Yeah.
So I don't think how this question is. I won't say valid, but it's just time to
It was
normalize it.
Yeah, it was, because for me it came as organically as normally in any show we see a male and a female romance. This came as normally.
Yeah,
That's why I
yeah.
found it gentle and not
Yeah.
somebody
Just-
trying to
yeah.
rub it in your
Yeah.
face.
And I think the gentleness is something that needs to be shown more when it comes to the queer space. It's not always devastating. It's not always painful. It's not always, it can be gentle as Purane Zamane ke pyar also.
This aankhon hi aankhon mein.
Aankhon hi aankhon.
Oh, nice. We're done with our sweet questions and sweet answers. So we have a little bit spicy. There are 3 of them, so anyone can pick.
Yeah.
Anyone. like सबसे पहले मैं.
वो लोग खाया कैमरा
देखा ना.
And anyone can answer as
Yeah,
well.
yeah.
इतना heavy question आपको करना चाहिए. This is for you.
Are you a greedy artist actor? Yes, absolutely, certainly. I have absolutely no compunctions of walking up to a director and saying, when will you cast me? Why will you not cast me? If you don't cast me, I go on a rampage outside your house. I will do a dharna till finally they get fed up and they say, अच्छा चलो ले ही लेते हैं तुमको. I have absolutely no problems because I also have a lot of self-confidence. So when I tell the director, why don't you cast me? I'm also telling him,
I'm a
God,
your mistake.
you're getting the good one. That sounds so awfully
No, it does not.
But also
Sure,
you
fish, but I
can-
have, people say कि नहीं मेरे से नहीं बोला जाता, मैं किसी को कह नहीं
नहीं,
सकती.
नहीं.
क्यों नहीं कह सकते भाई? It's
नहीं,
the
क्योंकि
most
हमारे
natural
पास
thing
उनके
in the
ऑफिस का
world.
एड्रेस नहीं है, और दूसरा अगर हम जाएंगे हमें अंदर नहीं लेंगे, तीसरा अगर मैंने धरना पे बैठ भी कर खाना नहीं खाऊंगे ना, बोलेंगे मरो मुझे क्या, क्योंकि वो जानते
नहीं,
हैं.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं, but it's absolutely perfectly.
Yeah.
Because what happens is, I remember, even when it happens with the ADs for a film, I remember Satish Kaushik, who had just turned up from nowhere, told Shekhar Kapoor that he wanted to work with him. He was from NSD, and this was right when we were doing Masoom. And he said he wanted to work with him. And every day somebody comes up to Shekhar Kapoor. He wasn't so impressed with that. फिर he said, मैं राइट देखूँ तो सतीश कौशिक, लेफ्ट देखूँ तो सतीश कौशिक, ऊपर देखूँ तो सतीश कौशिक. वो मेरे अतराफ 24 घंटे था. तो मुझे लगा कि यार, he must really be wanting this job. And if somebody is so keen to work with me, I'll take them on.
Wow.
Because obviously that person is dying to
Yeah.
do his best. Which is not to say that all young people should now suddenly surround every single director and drive them mad. ऐसा भी नहीं है. मगर एक है कुछ passion के बारे में. I have to tell you a story about Annu Male. Annu Male was wanting to do the, forgive me Annu if I'm getting it slightly wrong, but he wanted to do the music for Soni Mehiwal.
Okay.
And 3, 4, 5 times he tried to meet Umesh Mehra and he couldn't meet him, but he had sent Umesh Mehra कि मैं मिलना चाहता हूँ आपसे. एक बार तक he went into a film auditorium and he saw Umesh was there. So he ran after Umesh. Umesh went into the bathroom. He started playing a tune on the bathroom door.
I love the dedication.
And Umesh came out and said, yes, you're doing it.
Wow.
तो आप सोचो कितना पैशन, मगर ये जब दिल से निकलता तभी पता चलता है. If you just do it just for drama, it doesn't work.
Okay, Zoya Akhtar, I would want to work with you. I'm going to text you after this. I'm going to take this opportunity. I love you and I love your work.
Anyone else?
Bhansali sir, I'm coming for you.
Also Bhansali sir and so many others.
That's the way. That's the way.
Yeah, you gotta ask for it. Nobody's any coming to handle it.
Yes.
Why should
yes.
we
हमें
ask
कोई
for it?
रिप्लाई नहीं करेगा.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
I think होगा यार.
हमें अंदर
होगा.
मिलेंगे, बोलेंगे not fit, get out.
ये तो मैंने आंसर कर दिया थर्ड वाला.
क्या है आपको?
Anyone can answer. It's fine.
You can
Hardest
answer.
pill to swallow in showbiz.
Yes. I think at this actually I would like to know from everyone. What's the hardest pill to swallow in this business?
कम पैसों में कभी भी काम करना पड़ता है.
हाँ, एक तो yeah,
क्योंकि जिंदगी
There's
तो
no
नहीं रुकने वाली
equality
ना.
in
But
pay.
then नहीं यार, equality of pay तो है ही. पर कभी कभी when you're new, you have to do things, but they don't know behind the scenes कितनी तकलीफें हो रही है कि मुझे काम तो अच्छा मिल रहा है, but घर भी तो चलाना है.
Nice, good.
तो I
Good.
think पैसे दे दो यार, आप लोगों के पास बहुत है.
And that's totally
और
honest.
बहुत लोगों को आप बहुत पैसे दे रहे हो जो आप लोगों को बहुत तंग करते हैं. तो जो अच्छे से काम करे सिंसियरली
उनको तो
उनको
दे
पैसे
दो.
दो.
हाथ मिला दो. सही बात बोली.
I think after doing a number of films, when you are called by big production houses to just stand by a larger male actor, where you're not given a concrete role enough, and you wonder why they've come to you. I think that's quite a hard pill to swallow, because you think you feel you've been there and done it, but still, why are you being treated as a side kick? So I think that's something which is very demeaning.
I'm
for an
waiting for a
actor.
part like that. I'm waiting. I'll kill it so much. They'll say,
Yeah.
"Wow."
ये होता है
Yeah.
confidence.
नहीं देखेंगे उनको, नहीं देखेंगे कोई.
What about
आप
you?
तो.
आई थिंक मेरे लिए ना बहुत डिफरेंट. मैं खुद पर्सनली जब मैं इनिशियली आई थी आफ्टर अर्जुन रेड्डी, मेरे लिए हार्डेस्ट पिल था ये कि मैं कुछ भी अगर ऐड करना चाहती थी विद द डायरेक्टर, दे वुड नॉट वांट टू बिलीव एंड टेक इट दैट आई कैन बी इंटेलिजेंट. दे लाइक ठीक है अपना दिमाग मत यूज करो. लाइक बट I have so much to offer, not just so every time they'll be like, be bubbly, show your dimple, be sweet,
Yeah.
be beautiful. I'm like, but I am more of that. I'm more
Than
like more than that. I'm so much more and I have so much more to offer. तो मुझे ना बहुत टाइम लगा क्योंकि पहले मैं क्या करती थी, I would play dumb to get my way out because मैं अकेले थी and I would have to manage everything on my own. तो मैं पहले बहुत dumb play करती थी, उसके बाद मुझे लगा नहीं करूँगी.
Nice, good.
I'm going to be intelligent. I do not care if you get if you feel weird about it. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि मैं बहुत over smart बन रही हूँ, it's okay. I'm going to be intelligent. I'm going to ask questions and I'm going to put down my foot on something that does not work for me.
That's my Shalini. Yay!
I mean, that's so funny that why you
I
you
know.
asked to play dumb. I mean,
I
if
had-
you can't handle intelligence, that's your onus,
Yeah.
not on the other person.
Exactly. No, it took me also time to understand क्योंकि मैं इतनी नई थी ना, मुझे समझ नहीं आता था. मुझे लगता था अगर मैं करूँगी तो शायद and एक ऐसे सेट्स हुए हैं जहाँ पे सिर्फ मैं अकेली लड़की थी और कोई लड़की नहीं थी. It would be just the male crew. So I'd be like, okay, मुझे मेरा वे यहाँ से निकालना है तो शायद I have to. After a point, I was like, it's okay. It doesn't matter. I'm not going to play dumb now. I am intelligent. I'm a lot of other things and I'm going to show all of that. So yeah.
I would look so fake if I tried to look dumb.
मैं भी करती थी. पागल लगती थी.
So fake.
निहायती पागल.
So fake.
जैसे आप आज कहते ना कि मैं तो बड़ी शर्माती हूँ.
बिल्कुल
आज
शर्मा.
मैं ऐसे बैठी
शर्मीली सी.
मैं आपको एक दो फिल्म
जाना.
बोलूंगी मेरी, आप देखो इतनी घटिया एक्टिंग की है ना मैंने, बिकॉज सब में ये करा है मुझे फेक डम.
देखो.
We got all three spicy.
No.
I think
No.
yes. Which one is left in this one?
ये है ये आप
अब सब मैम के ऊपर डाल रहे हैं. मतलब
Does
ये अगला
fame-
डब्बा मैं आपको पास कर रही हूँ.
come with a
Does-
heavy price.
Fame come with a heavy price to pay. I think
Yes.
everybody should answer.
Yes.
How do I answer that?
बोलो.
How can you not answer this? You are popular. Please.
माँ हो,
Still?
बीवी हो. Does fame come with a price to pay?
Yeah.
How?
I just feel that there are so many, like I felt really hurt once. I remember I was like, no, I want to do this, and they're like, you can't do it. We were shooting for Rocky Rani in Delhi. We got done jaldi se, and everybody else was going. I've never traveled. I've never even roamed. Like I've never like properly traveled or Delhi or any city. I always went for work. Since I was a child, I've always worked in cities. I've been to many places, but I've never traveled. And they were all going shopping to some bazaar and all of that, some local bazaar, and they said, you can't come with us. And I said, well, you'll make it difficult for us to shop freely. And I just was like, shit, so now I can't do that anymore, you know? So it was just like that. Like I went somewhere with my friends and they're like, "Arey, tujhe aane leke aa sakte." So I think those things that you're used to, I normalize it a lot. I go everywhere, I don't care. But you know, when people say that to you, it just hits you that tum yahan nahi aa sakte, tum ye nahi kar sakte. So it is a hard pill, but I'm doing this to be recognized everywhere in the world. And yeah, it's okay if I can't do something, but I'm getting more out of it.
You know, so I think the advantages and the benefits of fame are humongous, and
I
are
agree.
so huge, and I'm so grateful for that. That these are very small sacrifices to make, and it really doesn't matter. Yes, what does sometimes irritate me is like when I'm with my girlfriends and I don't want to be disturbed. I'm just having a ball. And then I'm pulled out from the rest of them and they have to wait and I have to give the photographs. इससे मुझे चिढ़ आती, मगर एक चीज़ मुझे देव साहब ने बताई थी, which was wonderful. I was complaining to him and I was saying it is, bhai, if I have gone to a shop, I'm going there because I want to buy something and I want to concentrate on that. And if I am going to eat somewhere, I feel that, yeah, you shouldn't come and ask for a selfie when I've got my mouth full of a morsel. So he said, so why did you opt for this? So I said, meaning? He said, Shivana, remember, that 1 minute of yours of indifference to that person will cast your impression in stone for life, and that person will always remember that you rejected her or him when she came with total love and expectation. So don't go out. If you're in the mood that you don't want to be pried upon, then just don't go. That always sticks in my head. And as much as I can do it, I do it, but we are human after all. So there are, मुझे सिर्फ जब खाना खा रहे होते हैं ना फैमिली के साथ, and then they disturb you, तो मुझे लगता है कि यार abroad nobody would do this.
Like Shah Rukh Khan said something really nice when he was asked this question. I may not be completely like word to word correct, but he said कि मुझे famous होना था famous होने के लिए. मुझे नहीं जाके चौपाटी पे पाव भाजी खानी है. मुझे नहीं जाना कोई. Like I want to sit in my 5-star hotel. मुझे अगर sand चाहिए कहीं से भी part of the world के, मैं वहाँ से sand ले आऊँगा अपने घर पे और वहाँ से पाव भाजी भी आ जाएगी. तो सब कुछ मेरे घर पे आ जाएगा. मुझे 5-star hotel में ही रहना है. मुझे Rolls Royce में ही घूमना है. So I think
But it is a very small price to pay, and the advantages are so many. The access that you have, my God, you don't even deserve that access, and you get it pataphat just because of what you are doing. It's like, which can also be very disturbing for an actor, because then you can just grow up in this world and you think, Arey, you're living in that bubble. And that's where
in the Bollywood bubble.
In bubble. And the fact is, there's a difference between being an actor and a star. And what happens in a star's life is they get surrounded by a concentric circle of people who keep you away from life. So first you have to go past the security, then you have to go past the personal guard, then you have to go past the hairdresser, then you have to go past your makeup man, then you have to go past, and then you can reach that person. That person is only living in that bubble. कभी उसने जिंदगी में कोई कॉमन मैन के साथ किसी तरह का कोई गुफ्तगू नहीं किया, कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं किया, उनको कुछ नहीं मालूम. So they are so far removed from life. But life has to be the resource base of an actor, right? As deeply connected as you are with life, the better actor that you will be. So that's a contradiction that you have to consciously. I remember I was talking to a Hollywood actor and he said, you know, I consciously disguise myself and take the metro in New York and go so that people don't recognize me, and I make myself really, really, what is the word for it? Matlab, unrecognizable. And that for me, वो उसका जो sound है, life का जो sound है, वो मेरे लिए real होना बनाता है. I'm sorry for being so profound. When this is
it's lovely.
a fun show.
No, but
Lovely
this
to
is
hear all that.
A fun show. Sorry.
I've
Yeah.
never interrupted you. Never. There's a story you don't get to
Yeah.
ever. You have no idea what it means. Anyone of you wants to add?
I want it. I became an actor to have it.
Yeah.
I love
And the more I will want to grow, it comes hand in hand with that. So why would I want to not embrace it? As ma'am said, उतना हम तो new है, तो अभी हमने इतना देखा भी नहीं है. But I think with time, like how she said, what I want to do for myself is just to be closer to life, real life. So I do a lot of solo trips. मैं जाती हूँ. I go out. मेरा मतलब कभी भी कोई भी फिल्म कर लिया, कुछ प्रोजेक्ट कर लिया, उसके बाद मैं निकल जाती हूँ. So I do all of that. So I think I hope I can maintain that balance. But I love it.
Jyotika.
I think it's the social media's overexposure on you, on every little thing you do, and keeping an actor as the highlight for कि you know why, look at her, why is her hair like that? For example, बहुत लोगों के बाल वैसे हैं, but you become like an example because you're famous. So I think that overexposure of where you, like Shabana ma'am said, then your personal side gets mixed up where you can't be you. I think the media just catches you everywhere. I think maybe that overexposure,
the only flip side.
yeah, maybe that could be a
Oh, she repeated the dress that she was wearing.
frog.
And frock.
Yeah.
और वो देखा उसका वही
Yeah.
रिंग है और वही बैग है. Oh, अरे भाई, how can something be your favorite if you are not allowed to repeat it?
Repeat it.
Just
Yeah,
explain
exactly.
that.
You know-
Explain that to
You know,
me.
Daniel Radcliffe wore the same jeans and t-shirt for like 2 weeks, walking his dog.
Wonderful.
Yeah, I
Wonderful.
saw
Cheap
that.
the media
And
that they
Kate
can't have a
Middleton,
different
Kate
photo.
Middleton also did it. So now sustainable fashion is now finally entering people's homes. But it's really crazy that you can't repeat a dress that you think is your favorite.
I know.
People have too many notions. I know we're just short on time, so for the khichdi one, I'll pick up a
Yeah.
question for you so that we can finish it. up.
Sorry, Ankita, we'll have to wrap.
But
No.
it's,
She has to do this. Let her do it. Come on. Kuch nahi. Kunal can wait for 5 minutes.
Okay. For the khichdi one, and these are fun, so answers can be as fun.
Okay.
If a fictional drug could instantly give you a superpower, which one would you take?
Fictional drug.
What superpower do you want to have?
Huh?
basically?
What superpower?
What-
They are integrating our show in the question, guys.
Oh, but that's too difficult for us to understand.
Okay. Maybe simply मतलब what superpower you want, ना?
Basically,
हाँ.
what's what we want.
But how do you know the name of the drug? That's a
Name
big-
any-
No, छोड़ दो आप superpower बताओ क्या चाहिए? क्या superpower? What superpower do you want to
The
have?
Mr. India drug.
She wants to be invisible.
See, smart.
I want to eat and
And
never
not
put
put
on
on
weight.
weight.
I knew. Don't say
If you're
Manjaro.
invisible, nobody can see you.
Someone said that. Yeah.
I want teleportation.
Oh.
So कहीं से भी मैं कहीं काम कर रही हूँ मुझे मेरे कुत्तों को मिलने आना है बस वही चाहिए
I
मुझे.
don't want to be stuck in traffic.
Best.
Guys, all of this is
That
solved if you're
resonates.
invisible.
Resonate.
All of this is solved if you're invisible. Nobody knows you're fat.
Yeah.
True.
Nice. Now this thoda sa, I think I'll start it with you because you will be able to close this one. If you have to name that similar drug from which you're getting the superpower, why would you name it? Because it is going to have the traits of it. So you give the Mr. India drug.
Mr. India.
Okay. What would you name this drug if you have to? Give me a
Whatever
funny
I
name.
want.
Give
Give
a
a
funny
funny
name.
traffic.
The Flash.
Yeah, Flash. Flash.
I can't answer.
मैं भी नहीं कर पाऊंगी.
I-
Teleportation का what can you
She
give?
wants to have
Yeah.
shallow hell drug.
Shallow.
This is what happens when you watch a lot of movies.
मेरा भी बोल दो यार teleportation क्या करोगे?
Teleportation का. The Harry Potter drug.
Harry Potter would be the best good one
This
actually.
Anjali, I think we will
Yeah.
be closing this one with you.
Nice.
See, this is what I do all day. Okay, and the last to close this one. What is the funniest or wildest high moment you have had while shooting for any project?
What kind of?
I am not saying we are doing for Dabba
Integrating the
Cartel.
show,
People can
okay.
have
But
interpretations.
you know,
I
they,
will not.
they went crazy in Dabba Cartel. She
Mm.
and
Nimisha.
Nimita.
Nimisha.
Nimisha, sorry. She and Nimisha started laughing
Hmm.
and laughed and laughed and laughed, much beyond what they were supposed to laugh. And then all of us started laughing.
I wanted to do so much more in that scene. They didn't let me.
No, but the director threw us out. They're saying, you're distracting my actors. I said, I thought we would be amazing. They were enjoying themselves.
We
So
enjoyed
sometimes you
it.
get the giggles and then you go completely
Yeah.
mad
And then
you
nobody
all
can stop.
whisper and laugh.
Then nobody can stop. And anybody tries to
Getting
be
the
serious, it's the best.
Bechare
Hitesh
Desar.
Bhatia, we didn't make it easy for him.
No, we didn't.
Shouldn't also.
Okay, I am not commenting on this one. And before Netflix throws me out, I have one more question left, but I'll let it go. It's okay. Thank you so much
Thank
for doing
you.
this. I
Thank
have
you.
seen 3 episodes, and I think by the time this interview would be out, I would be done totally inhaling the show. I would say. I have loved it. I would have loved it, and I hope for more stories and more such fun conversations. And if I may, I was only waiting to speak to you. This means so much to me to finally be able to speak to you.
sweet.
So thank you so much. Thank you each and every one of you, and wishing you all the best.
Thank you so much.